guys, welcome back to the channel. Kita pa na ugay mo nga kahig.
Balan mo ko gali. Wala. Sirang bala
And
ko
for
ha.
today, we're going to open gifts that comes from graduation of the preschool kids, preschool, kindergarten, and pre-kinder. And this we got the only two gifts, one green with stars and one red. Looks like a box. I think this is for Jill or not. Okay.
Nare, born mo gali.
Okay, yes. And Tito Nana will open it. Yay!
Magwapa ako dyan.
Yes, Tito
Yan,
Nana is so
magaling nga wala
beautiful
ako.
today.
Namit pa gani nga labog mo ko mo.
Then ang Tito Nana, ikat. Like this.
Baw ako. Dati dyan ikaw mo open. Hindi ak. Si Lula ni. Oh,
No, don't worry. Kay...
ikaw lang karon mano ha. Maabri. Ako lang magunting ha.
Oh, yes. Tito Nana will cut the thing. Who cut the tape that close the gift. Okay, to open gifts. Guess mo Tito Nana, andun silid na anay. For you, ano imo? Anong guess? I-guess mo ka ano silid na?
Something t-shirt.
T-shirt, okay. Or short.
Dyan na.
Me, I think it's a tumbler or
Tumbler naman.
maybe shirt too, or what else?
T-shirt.
Box, maybe a lunch box because it's so big.
Ah.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's
Yeah,
see if we're right.
Ikaw open. Your gift.
Oh, it's a box again. Oh, there's a box. Box, a smaller box. So it's a small box inside this big gift. This is the only big gift, but it's just a box. I think it's a mug here.
What is... Bakit nga na ano?
Where
Scotch tape gift.
yes, it's
This is
scotch
bread?
tape again. It's not bread.
Lotion.
Oh, you shake it.
Perfume?
Ano mo?
Grabe man dyan nga.
Shake ka mo kara, shake. What do you think it's
Soap?
inside? So, okay, let's see.
Or
Maybe-
tasa ba na?
Yes, I think it's a teacup or a mug. Or a mug. Okay, let's see. Let's open it.
Ako
So
naman.
now, baliskad. That's the underside. Here.
Scotch tape.
You're the only one who cuts it open. And
Amo jagali nga sa rumaan mo pa nga.
baliskad. Dangi mo nga tinid nga.
Tinidor.
Yes, ang tinidor. Please, baliskad dahil. Please, upside. Please invert your scissor or fork. No, okay.
Grabe man nga Scotch tape nga gift.
Pwede kayo mabuka, bay?
This is a cup.
Yeah, I guess. It's something that breaks. It's fragile.
Si Lula Nini pang wala pa kapakit.
You thought it's a biscuit because that's why it's a small box inside a big box because it's really fragile. I guess that's why.
I guess a biscuit. So I will eat.
Biscuit. Yes, biscuit.
Ba si Lula Nini pa.
So that
Si Lola Nini pang nag-abre.
Auntie Nini will open what's inside that. Even if it's a mug, she will eat the mug and she will eat the teacup.
I will. Basi may chocolate dyan sa mug. Grabe man nga. Para gid surprise dyan gali.
Yes,
Hindi
yeah.
Hindi maanuhan. Wow, may sinade. Magitasa agad.
Yes, but when you maybe pour something water inside the mug, It will glow tsaka sa outside. It will glow.
Why?
Because it's a mug. It
Oh,
will
ako yung
glow.
mug mo.
Yes. Then it will glow and then my picture and Diana's picture will show up here. Kanya picture magwa dyan kung batangan mo tingininit.
Sure?
Magic ra sagwa na.
Man ano how?
Because nakita ko ra kay Ma'am Jack nga messenger. Next.
Ulit na rin niya. Abi ko may chocolate silid na. Kinanglan ka dyan, may kuwan ikaw. Daw may aparador nga ano. Aparador. Jeriman.
Okay, I guess what's inside. I think it's bag or like eco bag or something t-shirt, briefs. I thought it's a briefs. Maybe it's a briefs or something soft like pillow, small pillow.
Pero hindi brief.
Touch it.
Hindi brief
Okay, let's see. Something like a strap inside.
Yes.
So I think it's a handbag or a shoulder bag.
Very close, gid ba? Hindi makita, gid. Gisian ko lang.
Yes, you
It's-
can.
It's okay. Maganda. Basi madambot ang hindi amo. Dogin kuan pag yananda eh. Nakatakad pa eh. Kasi led. Ano, igot rin ko lang?
Wait lang.
May base malambot ko ang plastic. Ay, God, sila nini. Ako lang.
Di-cut na mo ka rin. Basi makat mo ang tela.
Gani. Base tela, blaw.
Diyan lang sa babaw eh. You might cut the fabric inside. It's very soft to touch.
I will use only my finger.
Okay.
Because sure they will not. Ano galing ba? Oh, ikaw punot.
Okay, what's inside first?
T-shirt o bag o something. Brief
It is. It's like brief or very
bag na.
soft. It's very soft inside. Look, wait lang. Yeah, that's there. Very soft like black.
Ati ko na.
Eh,
Day. Na, gimpapilit pa nanda sa riga kayo.
hindi na pag ano dyan na lang.
Oh,
Oh, it's a shirt. Wow, this is different.
ano?
It's a shirt.
T-shirt?
Uh-uh.
Ay, te!
Wow.
It's very good, large.
Yes.
Wow!
Wow.
May ano pa, oh?
Thank you.
Nami pa. Ang dati
Yeah.
ng mga post lang kuwan. Ayan, te! Latte ko, gid!
You're right.
Te, sadyahan ka man?
Yes.
Lagi nabrihan
Thank
natin.
you. Thank you, Tita Nana, for everything.
Gusto ko lang makita ang ko namin.
Wow, it's a black shirt. Pwede, can you raise it again? Ipababawa rin ta. Please.
Mukha na?
Uh-uh.
This is t-shirt. Wow!
Wow, it's a t-shirt. Thank you, JM
Front.
and Yana.
Front mong Japan. Back.
Back. That's the back of the shirt. Thank you so much. Okay na, Tita Nene. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Sige, okay. Goodbye, guys. Bye. Say, Tita Nene, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. We love you.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.
Ilan taon sa laki natin?